this video, I'll show you how to create portfolio in Yahoo Finance. To get started, go ahead and open Yahoo Finance on your browser or open the app itself. Now in here, click on the top left corner of your screen represented by this hamburger icon. Now click on the My Portfolio button from this sidebar. Now in this section, go ahead and create a portfolio with holdings by clicking on the Create Manually or import a CSV if you have an existing one. So you can simply select Start Creating and select from this portfolio types. You can create a basic or enhanced portfolio. So simply select your preference, clicking on your preferred portfolio type and click on the Continue button. Now on the next step, you just need to create a portfolio name, set your portfolio currency, and enable cash management if you prefer to enable it. After you name your portfolio, you can go ahead and set your portfolio currency. So as you can see in here, this portfolio currency would be the currency that your account will use for trading on Yahoo Finance. After you set all of this and you have finalized your portfolio, you can simply click on that Create Portfolio button at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you have set up your portfolio, you can go ahead and add symbols to your portfolio. You can go ahead and click on this Add Symbols button and select the companies that you're eyeing out for investing. That is how you can basically create a watch list, also known as portfolio, on Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.